Hello everyone. Welcome to Desilicious Kitchen. Today we are here with a very versatile green chutney. This is also called Mumbai sandwich chutney, but you can use it in any chaat. You can just use it with chapati, dal, rice, bread, just anything. This chutney is amazing, guys. You must give it a try. Hey, if you like our recipes, please subscribe to our channel, Desilicious Kitchen, and press the bell icon for notification. In our recipes, 1 cup is 250 milliliter, and we have taken 3 cups cilantro or coriander leaves or hara dhania, 1 cup mint leaves or pudina, and these are 8 to 9 green chilies of less spicy variety or kam tikka wala green chilies. You adjust green chilies as per taste. Anyway, we will be diluting it before use. And this is 2 tablespoon chutney dalia or roasted chana dal or bhuna chana dal. 3 big flakes lasoon or garlic and 3 tablespoons save. This is entirely optional. Rock salt as per taste. Rock salt gives an awesome taste to the chutney. 2 tablespoon lemon juice. 1-inch piece ginger or adrak. We have peeled, washed and roughly chopped. And in the mixer jar, first we are adding the roasted chana dal or chutney dalia. Instead of this, you can also use mungfali or peanuts. And save, as I said, is optional. You can also use bundi instead of that. And we have added just 2 tablespoon water to wet this. It will make grinding easier. And now we are adding hara dhania or cilantro. And green chilies. Now the pudina or mint leaves. Lasoon or garlic. Ginger or adrak. Salt, rock salt. Some sugar. 1 teaspoon sugar we have added. It's optional. If you don't like it, don't add. But it kind of balances the taste. So we are adding this sugar and also gives a nice color. And now we have added lemon juice. And now we are going to grind this chutney. We didn't add any water while grinding. And look at this chutney and look at the texture. Isn't it amazing? So this awesome green chutney, you can have it with chaat like bhel puri, sev puri, then dahi balla. Yes, tomorrow we will be posting dahi balla recipe, folks. Stay tuned. And you can have it with bread. Of course, it's also the sandwich chutney. You can have it with rotis. You can have it with rice, dal, with just about anything. It's just amazing. Do give it a try. I'm sure you all are going to enjoy making and eating this chutney. Hope you like this video. See you soon with another awesome video. Bye. Take care.